Hey guys, today in my race car drop test, the RAC car drop test, and the moment got from I gave to Dad for my old card, sending it on the drop test. So, but it doesn't work. That probably doesn't work. Yep, this one doesn't work. It has a 20 drop test. Dude, I really drop test. I'm filming. Sorry, I know. Just wanted to drop test and I'm filming. Take a look. Here's a drop test. Here we go. This one doesn't work. Pretty nice. I got this one back in 2014, and it stopped working in 2016. And working, I was 2 years old. Oh, that was raining now. This is raining today. Gosh, this is raining today. So, yeah, I'm kidding. I got stopped working. I was 4 years old. So, yeah, on the Skype job. Here we go. On the back job, I restarted 3, 2, 1. And here we go. Let's take a look to the demo. And it's very rainy out there. It's gonna be raining. So here's and the front door reside in 3, 2, 1. Let's take a look to damage. That's a broke one. That not scratch that software. Let's take a look icon. It's better raining today. Not probably raining today. So yeah. Bottom drop reside 3, 2, 1. Okay. Take a look at the damage to that program. It's nothing out there. So that's left try by reside 3, 2, 1. Okay. Take a look to that broke one.
Oh, hi Zach. Oh, hi Ollie.
Hi Dad. And it's really dropped it. The top drop of reside 3, 2, 1. Okay. So it's gonna be fun. And right at the reside 3, 2, 1. Okay. So let's take a look at damage. I'll spread them north. Stand in the reside 3, 2, 1. The broke is what? But it's ripped it.
I want chocolate.
Stop it! 3, 2, 1. Okay. Take a look. Okay. So we start out. 3, 2, 1. Let's try the one. Not break it. 3, 2, 1. Okay. That's a night mode. Just gonna close the door. It's gonna be talking. Space speaking. I need customer guys to be speaking. Okay. It's gotta be raining out there. It's pretty raining. It's pretty raining today. Okay, stop it. 3, 2, 1. Slow. There we go. Okay. Okay, maybe one more time this. Then we go. Oh, that's a caterpillar. No, it's not a caterpillar. It's a screwdriver. Last one. Drop test and get in. Scratch. 7, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so let's move on. Let's get scratch test. Okay, there's the scratch stuff. Try this one. Just gonna hit one. Ow, shit. Okay, that was pretty scratch it. It's kind of bent it. Last one scratch. Then we get a bent test. 3, 2, 1. Let us see some more. Okay, so go down there. Oh, guess the spider that. Oh my gosh, the spiders. Okay, so move on to hand test. Then on 3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay. I did a little bit of hand. That was a spider. Oops, not filming.
Chocolate. Right, come here then, Dad. Yeah. Nice one.
It's really cute. Gotta be caught. What's red? Should I eat it? Probably butterfly. It's okay. It's gotta be red. I'm not just too long. It's gonna be raining. So not too long a minute. It's gonna be raining somewhere, somehow. I'm not gonna be some long a minute, so it's gonna be raining. So it's gonna and our videos are pretty raining. It's getting so. Pretty rainy out there. Let's go back to inside now. Let's get in the. Let's get a. Got a butterfly animation. Let's get a Huawei. I got a new phone and tablet tomorrow. Let's get a new phone and tablet at night. So let's get it on out and Kenny's give it and deny one of my new phone and tablet. The phone is Huawei. The tablet is Samsung Fire. Do not judge this CBS set. Okay, so it's gonna be somehow. I got a new phone in Huawei. I got a new tablet for the Amazon Fire. Okay, so no more. That's it. It's gonna be butterfly in it. Okay. It's gonna be raining. Go back to inside now. So thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and then peace out.